Yaro, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well and this is the question paper of literary criticism, Bachelor of Arts, मतलब BA ऑनर्स इंग्लिश का है ये, सेमेस्टर 3 अगेन. एंड मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये पेपर पूरा नहीं है, बट जितना भी है हेल्थ शो. अगर ये अधूरा रहे तो कृपया करके मुझे बताएं, क्योंकि ये मेरा नहीं है ऑफकोर्स. Part A is how does Hume address the influence of cultural and societal factors on aesthetic judgment, and do cooperate with the background voice. Why does Burke पता नहीं, मैं सॉरी बीच बीच में जर्मन आ रही है यार. Why does जो भी है believe that terror plays a key role in experiencing the sublime. The writer seems constrained not by his own free will but by some powerful and unscrupulous tyrant who has him in thrall to provide plot, to provide comedy, tragedy, love interest and an air of probability. The tyrant is obeyed. The novel is done to a turn. Identify and comment on the given statement. Sorry, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Again we have poetry is not a turning loose of emotion but an escape from emotion. It is not the expression of personality but an escape from personality. Identify and comment on the given statement. Discuss Richard's argument against the view that aesthetic experience is sui generis. Why is paraphrasing a poem heresy according to Kenneth Brooks? Explain his argument with examples of poetic analysis. Beauty is no quality in things themselves. It exists merely in the mind which contemplates them. And each mind perceives a different beauty. Discuss the meaning and significance of the statement by David Hume. How does Burke relate the sublime to power and vastness? And in what ways does this association reflect broader social and philosophical ideas of his time? The proper stuff of fiction does not exist. Everything is the proper stuff of fiction. Every feeling, every thought, every quality of brain, spirit is drawn upon. No perception comes amiss. Critically examine Virginia Woolf's modern fiction in the context of the above lines. In his essay, Tradition and the Individual Talent, T.S. Eliot offers a new interpretation of tradition. What is this new interpretation? What does the title of the essay then signify? तो यहाँ पर ये ख़त्म होता है क्वेश्चन पेपर. आई होप इट वुड बी हेल्पफुल. एंड कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आए तो पूछ सकते हैं. हालांकि मैंने ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं पढ़ा, बट कोशिश करूँगी कि बता पाऊँ. एंड थैंक यू सो मच अपना कीमती टाइम निकाल कर कीमती वीडियो देखने के लिए. एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग जिज्ञासा जग्गू फॉर मोर वीडियोस.